In a remote village nestled between hills and forests, there lived a boy named Arman. He was only 13, but life had forced him to grow up fast. His father had died in a mining accident when Arman was just 10. Soon after, his mother fell seriously ill. With no siblings, no extended family, and no money, Arman had no choice but to become the man of the house far too early. Every morning before sunrise, he delivered milk on a bicycle with one broken pedal. After school, he worked at a mechanic's shop until dark. Every rupee he earned went toward medicine and food for his mother. Despite his tired body, there was a fire in his eyes. He had a dream, a big one, to become an engineer. He wanted to design machines that could replace the dangerous ones that killed workers like his father. People laughed at him. "You? An engineer?" they said with mocking smiles. But Arman didn't argue. He just worked harder. He studied late at night using borrowed books and a faint, flickering kerosene lamp. Many nights, he fell asleep on pages stained with grease and tears. His teachers saw something special in him. They often said he was brilliant, but brilliance isn't always enough. When he turned 16, life struck again. His mother's condition worsened. The treatment became expensive. Arman had no choice. He quit school and worked full-time. His dreams began to slip through his fingers like sand. One night, as his mother lay coughing, barely able to speak, she held his hand and whispered, "Don't let life win. Don't back down. Carry the mountain if you have to." That same night, she passed away. The days that followed were dark. Arman didn't eat. He didn't speak. He sat on the roof of their small home at night, staring at the stars, wondering why life kept punishing those who asked for so little. But deep inside, a voice whispered to him. His mother's voice. "Carry the mountain if you have to." And so, Arman got up. He returned to school. At night, he cleaned train compartments to earn money. He studied between cleaning stops, sitting on coal station benches, reading under dim lights. His hands were blistered, his body weak, but his mind stayed strong. People around him still mocked him. "No one from this village has ever gone to college," they said. He simply smiled and kept climbing. He applied for a scholarship at a top engineering institute. He wore old clothes to the interview. His English was broken and his accent was thick. But when they asked, "Why should we pick you?" he looked them in the eye and said, "Because I won't stop. I'm not here for a job or a degree. I'm here to change lives. I won't back down. Ever." And he meant it. He got the scholarship. Years later, Arman graduated at the top of his class. He became one of the leading engineers in the country, designing safety equipment and modern machines that replaced the old, dangerous ones in mines. His work saved thousands of lives. But he didn't stop there. He returned to his village, not as the poor boy with broken dreams, but as a man who carried the mountain and climbed it. He built a school there and named it the Hope Academy. On the front gate, carved in stone, were the words his mother left him. Never back down. Vocabulary list. 1. Nestled, verb. Meaning, located in a comfortable or hidden place. Example, the small house was nestled between two large hills. 2. Flickering, adjective. Meaning, shining or burning with an unsteady light. Example, he studied under the flickering light of a kerosene lamp. 3. Grease, noun. Meaning, oily substance, often found in mechanical or dirty work. Example, his books had stains of grease from the workshop. 4. Mocking, adjective, verb. Meaning, making fun of someone in a mean or sarcastic way. Example, people gave him mocking smiles when he spoke about his dream. 5. Faint, adjective. Meaning, weak or barely noticeable. Example, he could barely see the words under the faint light.